Hi, this is Alex DePally with Fuzzy Logics, and in this video, you'll learn how to invoke Fuzzy Logic's DB Lytix technology and run it in the Teradata warehouse, invoking it from a SAS session using ProcSQL. We'll show you the Fuzzy Logic's way, and we'll compare it with a typical methodology you might use in SAS to do a similar analysis using its native capability. What you have before you on the screen is a smart editor, and we have a ProcSQL statement with a connection string to our Teradata box. The first analysis we'll run will be calling a stored Fuzzy Logic's procedure to do linear regression. Several parameters are entered here that dictate how the analysis is to be performed. The output of that analysis will be stored in 3 systems tables, and we'll run 3 queries to retrieve that information and bring it back to our local environment. The first query brings back our linear regression statistics, R squared, etc. The second query would bring back the analysis of variance, our residuals, etc. And finally, we'll bring back our regression coefficients, our predicted variables, their coefficient values, and goodness of fit, etc. Notice that we run the regression analysis in the Teradata environment. We don't bring back data to run in the local environment. We run it in Teradata. Let's compare this with a typical methodology in SAS. We would also use the ProcSQL statement to connect to our Teradata box, and we would do a series of steps to bring back the data and format it for use in SAS. Finally, we would run the regression using SAS's native regression analysis. The key idea is that this step of pulling the data back is eliminated in the Fuzzy Logic's methodology of running in database, and oftentimes moving the data can be one of the most time-expensive steps in the whole analysis. So there you have it, a comparison of the Fuzzy Logic's methodology for invoking an analysis from a SAS session compared with the way you would do it using native SAS capability. So what kind of performance enhancement benchmarks can you expect? Well, in one example, we had a market basket analysis for a large retailer that amounted to 486 billion rows. The existing processing time was about 20 hours, but when Fuzzy Logic's was added to the process, that dropped to 2 hours. We see other examples in retailing, healthcare, engineering, media, and other industries where we routinely get 10 to 100 times performance enhancements for our processes. So we hope that you see the potential to accelerate your analytics processes by running Fuzzy Logic's technology inside the warehouse. Stop moving data and start getting your analyses done quicker.